Hi, Mitch Bailey here. I want to show you this particular house because it's a real good example of why load calculations are really important to do. This current house that we're looking at is a 4-ton on the house right now, and the unit's a little oversized. With the way this house is built, if we actually look at the load calculation, he only needs a 3.5 ton. He can get by, it says 3.3 tons there. He can get by with a 3.5 ton. So the unit's oversized to start with. And part of that is that he did change his windows out and he put better windows in, so that reduced the size of the equipment. But he really doesn't need that. The other thing is we can do a lot of what ifs. In this case here, wants to add attic insulation. He wants to go from the R15 he currently has. Let me select the sheets here. I'm going to change this over to rooms, go over here, right click on my property sheet, bring it up, go to the ceilings, and as you can see we got R15 plugged in right now, and I'm going to plug in R50. So we globally change all it to R50, click on OK, and now let's just take out how much his loads have reduced. Now he's down below 3 tons of cooling, so he doesn't need a 4-ton. He doesn't even need a 3.5 ton. He can work with a 3-ton air conditioner. And if we go in and we change the system, if we take a look at a spreadsheet that I put together, if we change the system from a 4-ton, change it over to a 3-ton, if we just make this a 3-ton, it's going to go with more efficient equipment, but we just make it a 3-ton, we can come over here and we can see that the guy's going to save an extra $300 or $212 a season, $214 approximately, every year on his air conditioning just by going to a smaller unit. And we've went from R50 to R49. So overall, for the whole year, he should save about $1,200 on his energy bills. You dial that in for the price he's paying, $15,500 for a new system, $950 in rebates, and then another $14,550 afterwards. The rebates, what it's going to cost him, and he'll have that unit paid for 11 years. In other words, within 11 years, the system, the efficiency, the greater efficiency, the better insulation will save this person enough money to actually pay for itself in 11 years. And this is based upon current energy rates, and that it goes up about 2% a year. As you can see down here, that this is based on 2%. Now, one thing, insulation does a couple other things too. This is one reason I love to do insulation when I do these and I find low insulation in attics. Insulation makes the house warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and it saves on wear and tear on the equipment. It's a no-brainer to do insulation. That saving on wear and tear will make the system last longer, plus it saves money and it saves energy. All right, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe. It will help the algorithm so that we can get more people, because we need to get this out. Every contractor, HVAC contractor in California should be doing this. And if they did do this, they can put customers first, make them more efficient, more comfortable, and everything else. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.